Hey guys, I hope yesterday went well. Please send me messages if you have questions on anything. I will be back tomorrow, Wednesday. Today, I'll go over what you're going to do. Remember, tomorrow we'll take the Orleans Hannah. I'll kind of answer questions and stuff beforehand, just whatever, and then we'll take that, and then I'll have something not real hard for you to do after. But so I'm on the calendar, and this video will be on the calendar, but so for today, remember, you have your test. Your test is on Clever. So you go to Clever and Big Ideas and you'll do the Chapter 6 test. It is only open during our class period. So if you need longer, or if you're absent and you need it opened a different time, let me know. Okay, if you don't let me know and you don't submit anything, then it just goes in as a 0. So please let me know if you're absent. I don't know if you're absent because I'm not there. So if you're absent, or if you just need more time on the test, let me know. Okay, and I can reopen it for you. And yes, you can use calculator and all that stuff. When you are done with that, you need to make sure, go in and look at your grades. And see, I've already gotten a few emails about people having 0s. Go in and submit what you need to submit so I can grade it. Okay, make sure the whole geometry, we're moving on from geometry, that whole section, everything should be turned in. Okay, review everything. All right, so turn that in, submit those on Canvas. And then when you're done with that, you're going to go here to the scatter plot. This is the next section. I'll give you an assignment tomorrow and I'll go over it, but I wanted you to do this Ed puzzle. It'll just have a few questions on it. When you click on it, it will, show you a video. We're just doing scatter plots. Scatter plots is a pretty simple lesson. So I thought you could watch a video just to have an idea of what, and it's looking like our new people aren't on here, so maybe I'll have to deal with that. It has our people that aren't here anymore on there, so I'll look at that. So anyway, so do that after your test, and then you can go to that puzzle page, puzzle me page, or solve me page, or whatever. So, but I feel like you probably have plenty to do. Okay, all right. I will see you tomorrow. Message me if you have questions.